Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing super well. Today I join you. Today we're going to do a 0 to 100 transformation. I've been looking for some makeup looks online just to try something different. I feel like once I'm in my comfort zone, it's so difficult for me to just step out the box and try other things. But I was on Pinterest this morning and I was like, I need to do something different. I need to do something that I've never done before. I felt like my looks were getting a little bit redundant. Like, it was all clear. I love very easy, simple, minimal makeup. But sometimes you want to stunt on these hoes. So, you know what I'm like. Anyway, my skin is screaming because I just cleansed it. So I just want to put some moisture back into it. I'm taking the Chanel Hydra Beauty Micro Liquid Essence. I just grabbed it because I haven't used it in a while, and there was a time where I was using it a lot, and a lot of people don't really have essence in their skincare routines. I know it's part of the K-Beauty 12-step skincare routine. Is it 12 or 10 steps in the Korean beauty skincare routine? Either way, an essence ideally comes before a toner. I'm just opening this for the first time. It's the Lancome Genifique, and this is the Lancome Advanced Genifique, I believe, for sensitive skin. So we're just gonna try this on the serum after our essence. We're gonna moisturize with some Glam Glow. This is the Glam Glow Water Burst Hydrated Glow Moisturizer. Glam Glow products have such a distinct smell to them. You either hate it or you love it. Like, really, you either hate it or you love it. So sometimes I hate it, sometimes I love it. Quite honestly, so strong. It's always such a pleasure to use. Like, the quality and the feel of it on the skin just feels so good. So primer, another moisturizing product, guys. I want to feel moisturized. I don't like my skin feeling tight or dry. It's my #1 biggest fear and a pet peeve of mine. I'm priming with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, and this is a primer and moisturizer in one, and it has hyaluronic acid. I like my primers to definitely have more of a moisturizing effect to them, as opposed to mattifying or having a silicone based sort of product. As with any look, I'm starting with my brows. I'm taking my MAC Deep Dark Brunette brow gel cream. I really want to give myself a high arch with this look, because our hair's in a top knot, so the focus is definitely going to be largely on how the face is framed with the brows and the eyes. I'm taking my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC45. This never changes, you guys. And we're just gonna So our foundation of the day is Maybelline. It is the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation. We definitely want to go full coverage, and the shade is Chestnut. I believe I enjoyed this foundation before, and then I saw my comments and a lot of you guys were saying that you all enjoy this foundation, so why not bring it back? Very full coverage, and I used the tiniest amount. This is the Sigma curved kabuki brush, by the way. Yeah, definitely loving that coverage. I can't even lie to you. I can't lie. So I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. I love this, you guys. I need to stock up. This is the shade Butterscotch. We do the usual. Sigma sponge. To bake today, we're using Sacha Buttercup. My Laura Mercier is officially donezo. I haven't used this baby in a while. Not for any particular reason. Just haven't. So I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Black Opal True Color Ultra Matte Foundation. This is the shade Medium Dark. We are applying this where we didn't put our Sacha Buttercup. We're setting the rest of the face basically. And we're also going to set the contour of the nose. While that's doing the most, we're gonna go on to eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be working out of two palettes today. The Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. Oh my god. Oh, you know what? This one is new. So I'm gonna dig into the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette, and it's this one over here. And we're also gonna use the Urban Decay After Dark palette as well. Yeah, but we'll see. We're literally using like one color from there. First, I'm gonna prep my eye area, which I stopped doing a while ago, but I think I should get back to it. Could use regular eyeshadow primer, but I don't know. I'm gonna take the shade Swarm in the Urban Decay Naked palette, and I'm taking it in my inner corner and I'm bringing it up. So I'm packing it on in this area. I'm gonna take the other end of this brush and use it to get a little bit higher up into that crease area. I love what that's doing for my eye. I love it. I'm gonna go in with Keeper in the middle of this situation we have going on here. So I'm gonna take Keeper and I'm gonna place Keeper my outer corner. I'm gonna take Drip, which is like a warm brown, and I'm just gonna close it off. I really want to demarcate where I had this dip going on here. So what I'm gonna do is I want to take this MAC eyeshadow liquid. It's called Dazzle Shadow and it's the shade Linking Brilliant. I'm so scared to use this, so I'm gonna use a very fine brush to do this because I don't trust myself. Why is my hair in disarray? Okay, and we're gonna bring this mirror very close. I'm sorry it's in the shot. I really need this to be perfect. And we're gonna just place it. Just a faint line. We're gonna take our white liner from NYX and just line our waterline. And we're gonna dip into our Urban Decay After Dark palette. We're gonna go in with the shade called Supersonic, which is a glittery red. And we're gonna place this on our lower lash line. And I'm gonna highlight with my Sparkling Dust from Inglot. You wanna be super extra. Like I said, I always take it from the lid. I don't touch what's inside the pan. Oh, what would you call this look? Where would you wear it to? I'll wear it to brunch on a Sunday brunch. We're taking Lash Me Baby Lashes by Gama, shout out, and we're gonna apply these. Sorry. Combining some glosses. I'm first taking the NYX Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss in Sugar Mama. And it's a beautiful nude gloss. Super thick. Then I'm taking my Inglot Jennifer Lopez Lip Gloss in Goldie Lips. And I'm going on top with some sparkle. I'm living for this look, you guys. I'm living for this look. I can't lie to you. Anyway guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, makeup look. I was just winging it. A few pictures on Pinterest inspired me this morning, so I grabbed a few bits from one and a few bits from the other, and I have to say I'm quite happy. I'm not ending this video here, you guys, because we are due for the first giveaway of 2020. So I'm gonna give away, I want to give away 2 boxes of goodies. Okay, you guys saw me doing a declutter video. Was it earlier this year or was it Vlogmas? I feel like it was earlier this year. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna give away is, the boxes are plain right now. I'm gonna give away one of the boxes. It's a high-end skincare pack. So this is a high-end skincare package, and it has the Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Brightening and Soothing tonic, a cleanser from Kiehl's as well, part of the same range, some Sotis Paris, a serum, a youth serum, and a Sotis Paris cleanser. Is this a cleanser? Yes, with salicylic acid. And I'm gonna add in a moisturizer because I did take out a moisturizer here and I gave it to my brother because he needed one. But I'm gonna add a moisturizer in here as well for you. I will put the full boxes on my Instagram stories so that you guys can check that out. The second box I'm gonna give away is this package. It's a mommy and daughter package, but there's a lot of her mummy. There's a sheet mask, but there's stuff for baby too. There's a daily barrier cream from Aveeno. There's also a baby hair and body wash. There is a ultra thick cream from Eucerin, which is also baby friendly and good for pregnant mummies. Is it? I don't want to get sued. Suitable for babies. Doesn't say suitable. Suitable for babies. For mummies, we have a foaming gel from Bioderma and a moisturizing concentrate from Bioderma as well, and a Radiance night cream as well. So this is the mommy and baby package. So how the giveaway will work is I will ask you to please subscribe to my channel and make sure you're following me on Instagram. And underneath this video in the comment section, I want you to leave a sentence or two as to why you'd want to win the package. Honestly, I'm not looking for an essay of paragraphs, guys. Literally one sentence is it. I just want you to be subscribed to the channel and follow me on IG. And when you do comment down below, leave your Instagram handle as well, just so that I'm able to double check and make it fair for everyone that is subscribed and is following me on IG. Just to be fair, so that everyone it's fair for everyone. I don't pick someone who isn't following me on IG or whatever the case is. That's it, guys. I'll leave this video here. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you on Thursday.